Nilesh, Indian markets are up 530 points from the day's low. Do you think this is short covering or a pure reaction to Union Budget 2011?
I think it's a combination of three things. One, it's a short covering possibly. Second, the valuations were pretty low in this sector because of last 1.5 years unusual business environment of high interest rates, tight liquidity and delayed approval and processes. What this budget has done is that it has created raw material for rapid infrastructure development. One, it has provided for finance by way of containing fiscal deficit so that private sector investment doesn't get crowded out. The net borrowing program of around 3,45,000 crore is almost 50,000 crore lower than what market was expecting. Second, it has provided for more finance being made available via increasing FII bond limit by about $20 billion. That's additional 100,000 crore plus. Third, it has also kind of provided a cushion on interest rates because lower deficit and lower government borrowing program will put a cap on interest rates. So the budget has provided availability of finance and cushion on interest rates. The second thing is about approvals and processes. Now here's where the execution will come into play. A group of ministers is being constituted to give recommendation about speeding up the processes and clearances for infrastructure project. If this recommendation can actually get converted into action on the ground, then certainly it will be very, very beneficial for infrastructure sector. Now there are certain segments in the market who wants to take this at face value. There will be someone who will be doubtful, and then there will be someone who may say that I just don't want to believe it. People who don't want to believe it are not going to sell their infrastructure stock because of valuation. People who are neutral may not matter much, but people who are bullish are coming to buy, and that's why we are seeing the prices going up. So net I believe in infrastructure sector the government through this budget has provided the raw material. Now their action has to act as a catalyst so that people who are pessimistic and sitting on the sideline starts buying into infrastructure space. We have an opportunity whereby infrastructure sector, which has underperformed the market for such a long period of time, could now start catching up with the market, if not outperform.